were young people. Many of the young people who died trying to register people to vote are a testament to the fact that it takes young, passionate, conscientious people in our country to move it in the right direction. And I just want you to know this morning that you are on the right side of history, and if we keep on keeping on, we will change this country and move it in the right direction. So give yourselves a round of applause. And we're going to have Reverend Neely come and sing with us as we're putting the program together for the rest of the rally. As I said earlier, anyone who wants to speak to any of these issues, feel free to do that. You have about 3 minutes to do it because we want to hear from as many people as possible on these issues. We are all here together, and one of the things we have got to learn in this country is that the 1% is not just against African Americans or Hispanics or women. They are against the 99% in this country, and we've got to grasp that understanding. All struggling together to try to make this country more equitable and to make it